What are the biggest lessons you have learned so far from pension fund collaboration, and how do you think Capital Constellation's work can be a model for the industry?
The biggest lessons that I've learned is that it's difficult to collaborate, so it requires perseverance. I think that asset owners can generate a lot of benefits from coming together in terms of resource sharing, opportunities for networking, etc. So I think that that's the area which we should pursue more of.
I guess I might add that it would be a shame if other asset owners didn't at least make an effort to learn the lessons that we have learned through some considerable effort over the years.
What were the biggest challenges and unforeseen risks you saw in creating this joint venture, and how did you overcome those?
It's always difficult to build a collaboration, especially when you're talking about multiple continents, not just multiple time zones, but multiple tax situations, multiple regulatory situations. I agree with Paul that perseverance is key, and I think starting with a small core group of aligned, motivated participants, and only then looking to expand is the right way to go.
How did you discover you have an alignment of values and shared interests in order to bring this collaboration together?
I'll take a first stab at that. So I met with Steve and his team at Alaska and realized that they had it as part of their 5-year strategic plan to form partnerships and alliances with other pensions and sovereigns globally. And I thought, wow, here's a kindred spirit organization. And then together we met Paul, who's really been one of the leaders in pension-to-pension, sovereign-to-sovereign collaboration, having already built collaborative organizations in the UK. And when we heard about our shared interest in these kinds of partnerships, I think we were off to the races. And it was not easy. It took us a year of intense effort to build Capital Constellation, but because we had that shared commitment at the start to forming these kinds of collaborative efforts, which we'd each arrived at individually, we knew from the start that the effort would pay off, and I think that gave us the motivation to build something solid, even though we had the challenges of doing something that was truly global.
I think it's probably important too that we identified a specific market opportunity, which is the seeding strategy, and it's an opportunity that benefits from the participation of multiple asset owners.